Okay, next up we have a very interesting product. Giulio, tell us about this.
That's really an interesting product. It's an interesting system because it's not only one product, but the most important is to have it together with the rest of the components. How does it call? It is called yanus system, and it consists in a water-to-water heat pump that we manufacture also. We manufacture a range of geothermal heat pumps. We like this niche market of the geothermal heat pump, and we wanted to do one step ahead in order to find another application for the geothermal heat pump. The application is to combine this geothermal heat pump to photovoltaic panel, so PV panel, with a plus. If we look to the back of this photovoltaic panel, we can see that we have a serpentine where the water will go through. How does it work? This serpentine, so this component here, is connected to the source of the heat pump, and it can work exactly as our borehole or our well, depending on the installation, and we can keep the energy from the external air, and we can also keep the energy generated by the PV panel. As you know, probably, the PV panel produces electricity, and during the production of the electricity, it is heated. The phenomenon of production of electricity produces heat. This heat, in this case, has, let's say, can be used as a source for the heat pump at a quite good level of temperature, because in a sunny day, also in winter or in the middle season, it's easy to reach something like 30-35 degrees on the back of the panel. So very high efficient for our heat pump. And the other benefit that we can have is that in this way we are going to cool down the back of the panel, and the efficiency of the PV panel, in this case I'm talking about the efficiency in terms of production of electricity, increase if the temperature is reduced. So we have a very interesting benefits. So from one side we have a source for our heat pump at a very interesting temperature, let's call it like this, and we have the effect to maximize the production of electricity thanks to the refrigeration of the panel itself. The machine and the system is handled by a clever software, in this case, that is loaded into a carrier controller, and is able to understand which is the best source to be used in this case. In fact, we can, just to give you an example, we can design a system to work 100% with, let's say, we call it hybrid PV panel, hybrid because it's electricity plus water. We can design a system to work 100% with hybrid PV panel, or we can design a system to work half with a borehole and half with a hybrid PV panel, and the software can manage and can decide which source to use in order to maximize all the efficiency.
Very good. I think this is an amazing product.
Yeah, it is.
You're doing so many things with, with a combination of clever engineering.
This is really a combination between our manufacturing, because we are a manufacturer, and the engineering. So we like to develop system and to know the product that we are working in.
Yeah, no, I think it's really good. Okay, thank you for explaining that, Giulio. Again, as always, any queries on any of the Fiorini products that we're talking about here, just drop me an email, peter.mcmahon@eicl.ie, or call the office on 01 8255 155. Okay.